What if I told you I built a professional website without writing a single line of code, and then sold it for $2,000? No coding skills, no web development degree, no expensive software, just Claude AI. Sounds unbelievable, right? But that's exactly what happened. And the best part, you don't need to be a programmer to do it. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how I use Claude AI to create a professional website from scratch, step by step. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or simply looking for a new way to make money online, this could be one of the easiest opportunities you'll find this year. Let's dive in. Most people think building websites requires years of coding experience, but AI has completely changed the game. Today, tools like Claude AI can help you plan, design, write, and even build professional websites in a fraction of the time it used to take. What once required a team of developers can now be done by a single person with the right AI prompts. And that's exactly what I did. Let me show you exactly how I did it. The first thing I did was choose a business niche. For this example, let's say we're building a website for a fitness gym. Now, instead of spending hours figuring out what pages I need and how the website should be structured, I opened Claude AI and typed, create a professional website structure for a premium fitness gym. Include all sections needed to convert visitors into customers. Within seconds, Claude generated a complete website structure including a homepage, an about page, services, pricing, testimonials, a contact page, multiple call to action sections. Just like that, the entire website blueprint was ready. No brainstorming, no guesswork, no hours of planning. Next, I needed professional content. Normally, writing website copy can take hours, but Claude AI can do it in minutes. I simply asked, write professional website content for a premium fitness gym targeting busy professionals. A few seconds later, Claude generated powerful headlines, professional subheadlines, service descriptions, customer testimonials, persuasive sales copy, call to action text. Everything looked professional and ready for a real business website. Instead of staring at a blank page, I already had content I could start using immediately. Now it was time to design the website. I asked Claude AI, create a modern website design using black, blue, and white colors. Make it look premium and trustworthy. Claude suggested a professional color palette, typography recommendations, layout structures, button styles, user experience improvements. But here's where things got even better. I used one of my favorite prompts, generate a complete responsive website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And within minutes, Claude generated the entire website layout and code. What used to take days of development was now happening in a single conversation. Now comes the fun part. I copied Claude's code and pasted it into a website editor like Replit. Instantly, I had a working website, and whenever I wanted to improve something, I simply told Claude what I wanted. For example, make the hero section more modern, improve mobile responsiveness, add smooth animations, upgrade the navigation menu. Claude updated the code and generated improved versions for me. No complicated coding, no debugging for hours, just simple instructions and fast results. Here's the part most people miss. They generate the first version and stop there. That's a huge mistake. The difference between an average website and a premium website is refinement. So I asked Claude to improve design quality, mobile experience, loading speed, visual hierarchy, user engagement. Then I added professional images, modern icons, strong branding, customer reviews. After a few rounds of improvements, the website started looking like something a professional agency could charge thousands of dollars for. That's where the real value comes from. So in a fraction of the time traditional web development would take, I ended up with a professional design, high converting website copy, a responsive layout, premium branding, and a website ready for a real client, all created with the help of Claude AI. No team, no expensive software, no years of coding experience. Now you might be wondering, building the website is great, but how do you actually sell it for $2,000? How do you find clients? How do you reach out to businesses? And most importantly, how do you convince them to pay you? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in the next video. I'll reveal the exact process I use to find website clients, pitch my services, and close high-paying deals. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because in the next video, we're taking this website and turning it into real money. I'll see you there.